Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unpublished page on Facebook. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, click on your profile picture, and then you need to select your page and take a screenshot of your page. Once you've taken that, you simply need to go back, scroll down, click on help and support, click on report a problem, click on report a problem once again, wait for few seconds, click on include. Here you need to select the pages, attach screenshot, and describe your issue to the Facebook support, and they will contact with you within 72 hours and help to solve your page issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.